Are you ready to transform your career and manifest the job of your dreams? If you've been looking for a new opportunity that brings fulfillment and abundance into your life, then this meditation is for you. Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation designed to harness the power of positive affirmations to attract your ideal job. In the next few minutes, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, setting the stage for new opportunities and success in your career. By the end of this meditation, you'll feel a renewed sense of confidence, clarity, and purpose, ready to take inspired action towards your professional goals. So, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's dive into this transformative experience together. With your eyes closed, take a deep breath in and out. Let go of any stress or tension. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As we begin, remember, you are a powerful creator of your own reality. By focusing on positive affirmations, you can align yourself with the energy of abundance and opportunity. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud after me, feeling their truth resonate within you. Ready? I am deserving of a job that fulfills me and makes me happy. I am attracting opportunities that align with my skills and passions. The perfect job is seeking me just as I am seeking it. I am confident in my abilities and know that I am a valuable asset. I trust the process of life and am open to the opportunities that come my way. I release any fears or doubts and embrace a positive mindset. I am surrounded by supportive people who want to see me succeed. Every day, in every way, I am getting closer to my dream job. I am grateful for the job opportunities that are coming my way. I am capable, confident, and ready for a new career adventure. Visualize yourself in your ideal job. See yourself thriving, happy, and successful. Feel the joy and satisfaction of doing work that you love. Hold this vision in your mind and believe that it's already yours. Take another deep breath in and out. Feel the positive energy flowing through you, knowing that you are on the path to your new job. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this positive energy with you throughout your day. Remember, you are worthy of a fulfilling career, and the right job is on its way to you. Thank you for joining us for today's meditation. Until next time, be well, my friend.